Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Hey guys,
even when you feel
welcome
slow.
to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my pipe cleaner curls. Here you just take the pipe cleaner, like fold it in half, like make like a little hooky thingy, and then hook the other side. And then some people thread their hair through that little hole, but I don't do that. I just wrap my hair around, starting underneath that little hole, and then I take the end of the other side of the pipe cleaner and I pull it through that hole, and then I just secure it. For me, that works better. Here I kind of just separate it in sections. I never counted my locks. I started them myself. I can't tell you how many I have. But I maintain them myself as well. I maybe have gotten them done once or twice. But yeah, that's about it. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I kind of keep showing it every once in a while slowly how I achieve the little wrap, but it's so simple. Just wrap it up or whatever. And yeah, that's about it. If you get one, like you see that one to the right, if you get a straggly one, I kind of just wrapped it around one. No. I think I took it. Yep, I took it down. And then I separated it because it was kind of big. And then I just rewrapped it so my little tiny edge lock could fit in there. There I'm showing you again. And I'm just using water. I'm spraying water. No, I didn't use water. I used that lock spray. I showed it to you in the very beginning. I think it's Rosewater. I poured that in my little spritz bottle. And this is that edge control I use. It's really good. I'll try to leave everything down at the bottom of the link. Not much. My edge brush is from the beauty supply. And trying to get my edges together. But that's about it. That's it. And then I wrapped it at night with just a scarf. And then I went to sleep. I should have left it up longer. You'll see. But I didn't really achieve like tight curls that I wanted. But okay, let me be quiet. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. And let me know if you have any more questions. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. So this is the end result. I could have kept it in a little bit longer. I took it down the very next day and they still came out pretty good. So I'll definitely be doing this hairstyle again with my pipe curlers. Yeah. Thanks for watching.